Hello guys, and welcome to episode 12 of our Teamspeak tutorial series. So in this episode I'm going to show you real quick how you can create a icon that is basically going to be nothing else other than an icon. It's going to be a server group that's going to have no powers at all. It's just going to be an icon because some people, well, they just like to have, a lot of icons here and they think it's cool. I personally think that you shouldn't have like more than 6 icons because then it really just looks stupid. However, some people just really like it. So let's just get into it. Open up our server groups. By the way, you can also see that I'm on a new server as I concluded that the previous server, so everything from episode 1 to episode 11 to our, of our TeamSpeak tutorial series, that server was pretty much done and there was nothing else, to add. So that was pretty much a setup server. So now we are on a new server and I'm just going to create a group. I'm going to call it VIP. And this group is going to have, like I said, nothing. So let's just look at the sort ID here. It's 10. So let's just set the sort ID to 11. Let's just upload an icon. Pick this one. And if we'll look right now at what we have, the only thing we have is that the group is permanent. We have some sort ID. We have the icon. And now the only thing that we need to set is the needed group member add power and remove power. So if you want the server owner, only the server owner, to be able to give this group, well, at that point, the only thing you do is just set these to 75. If you, for example, want your admins to be able to do that, set it to like, I think we had like 65 for the lowest admin, or 60, something like that. Check the previous videos. Now, if we'll add it to ourselves, the only thing it does, it's literally just an icon. It's only an icon, nothing else. It is a group that does nothing, it just looks good. So that's gonna be it for this video. If you enjoyed the video, please leave a like and subscribe so that you don't miss any new ones. If you'd like to support me, there is a link to my Patreon in the description. And as always, have a good day.